Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a Redbubble shop in 2025. So whether you are an artist, designer or just starting out, this guide will help you open your store and upload your first product fast. So first of all, we will start by creating your free account on Redbubble. So you need to just come on redbubble.com, click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen. You need to just provide your email address, create a username and password for your account, and you are done with your registration process. After logging in, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and go to your account settings. In your account settings, you will see your edit profile option where you can basically upload any avatar or cover image, or you need to provide the text details. These are required for starting selling here. So once everything is set up, you will have to click on the artist tools and click on this dashboard option. Here you will see the option of set up the shop. So over here you can add your shop's picture. So click on the option and it will redirect you on this page. All of these things basically are actually the things that will be represented on your shop, so you need to provide these details. Then once you click on the dashboard option and click on the add designs option, you will be able to basically upload the high quality png and jpg file over here. So in order to do that, you need to click on the upload new work option, select your work here and wait for some time until it shows you or redirects you on this page. Now once the uploading is complete, you will see the titles which you can just change the language of. You can select Dutch, French and English and the Spanish languages. Here you need to provide the name of your product, you need to provide the tags, the description. Here you will see the product reviews like hats, large print clothing or etc. So you can choose any of these designs. Whichever you want to enable, simply click on the enable option right next to it. Then scroll down and here you will have to select whether it is the mature content or not. So you will have to select yes or no. So currently it is not any mature content, so I'm going to click on the no option. After that you can select who can view your work. So we want our work to see seen by everybody, so you just have to select anybody. Then agree to the terms and conditions and click on the save work option. It will take some time in processing and it will publish or save your work. Your Redbubble shop is now active and your products are now available worldwide. Redbubble actually handles the printing, the shipping and customer service. You just have to focus on your designs. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.